up everyone, welcome back to another video. So I've been getting a couple of requests to see what mods have been done to the Figo, so that is exactly what I'm going to be doing today. As you guys know, I've done quite a few mods to the Ford Figo. A whole bunch of stuff I've actually pretty much mostly of the stuff I've done myself, besides for the full respray, which you guys will see now. So this is basically the official reveal of the car with this new wheel color and the full respray. So yeah, I'm just gonna break down the mods for you guys one by one, what's been done to the car, what's different compared to other Ford Figos, and then I'm just gonna make something cool for you guys, a nice little cinematic video to showcase all the new features and parts of the car. So I'm excited, I hope you guys are excited. Let's check it out. So over in the boot, we've got a nice power base, 10-inch subwoofer paired with an XTC amp. Now this current setup has been in my car for the last 6 years. Actually not the sub, I had a different sub, I had a 12-inch, moved to a 10-inch. But this exact setup has been in my car for the last 6 years. Have had no problems. This amp has been superb and the quality of the sound is just great. I'd like to turn up the bass a little bit more just so I can get a bit more oomph, and I know this sub can definitely handle it. But without further ado, let's check out the rest. Up next, we basically have a double mod. This is one of my favorite things that I've done to the car so far. Just makes it stand out a little bit more and it makes it unrecognizable to the person who doesn't know what car it is. So that is my rear badge delete. As you guys can see, it looks sick. And then I also did a windshield wiper delete. So this was actually done for me by Deadly Customs. There's a couple of things I will point out that have been done by Deadly Customs. So if you guys are keen, get yourself hooked up. They do some sick mods. Next we have my little Gogeta sticker. That was made by Darkside Developments as well as this one. Yeah, I don't like putting too many stickers on my car, but these are tasteful, these are subtle, and I really love Dragon Ball Z. So that's one of my favorite stickers I've got. Up next, we've got the amazingly sick headlights with a daytime running light that was done by Deadly Customs as well. You guys saw that full reveal video on my channel. I'll link it up top. Go check it out if you haven't checked it out, when Dylan gave me back the car with the headlights being done. Other than that, up front, as OGs, the real OGs of the channel will know, this car has been looking horrid. Hello, nice Porsche over there. This car was looking a bit horrid and just battered and bruised. So a couple of years ago I had a slight little accident and I actually ended up cancelling my insurance, which is a stupid move. Don't ever do that. Don't ever do that. And this year I had the opportunity, by the grace of God, to repair the car. One thing that's cool and different compared to other Ford Figos is you will not see another Ford Figo with a wide mouth bumper like mine has. This is a one-of-one wide mouth bumper. I cut it myself, and then we also did a black on the badge, and then as you guys can see, this little splitter in the front that was supplied by Ricardo. I will link his details in the description down below as well. Really sick Perspex splitter. And then also we've got a sick Unique Originals windshield banner. Those are available on the website, guys, uniqueoriginals.com, if you want to check it out, as well as the shirt that I'm currently wearing. Go check it out, support the channel. It supports us and helps us be able to make more videos for you guys. As you guys also saw, I've got a shorty aerial, don't know if you can really see it, that I picked up from a mate of mine, and then I've got a matte, like a gloss black roof. Yeah, that is pretty much the exterior. There's still one thing on the exterior I need to show you guys, but that's pretty much all the mods on the exterior that I've done, besides for my holes that I've already drilled for the wing that's gonna come. Hopefully I'll be able to show you guys. I don't know if you'll be able to see, but I'm gonna try to show you guys. So as you guys saw on the channel, I replaced the young water bottle not too long ago. This thing's damn hot, don't know why. And then something else I have is a drop-in K&N filter. A lot of the guys on the Figo groups do ask about the drop-in K&N filter. I got that at Auto Style in Johannesburg. as well as the K&N filter re-oiling kit, something you can only get at AutoStyle, I think. Well worth it, guys. Definitely helps with fuel efficiency, and you do feel a little bit in performance. The car breathes a lot easier, and I must say, with my branches and my full exhaust, the car is not actually heavy on fuel at all. Drives just like a normal Ford Figo. But yeah, the main thing that I've done to this car is to fit some, let me see if I can get you guys there. Can you see? I'm just gonna stick you guys underneath. So these are SWR 4x2x1 branches. I can definitely see that I need to pay some attention to those branches, maybe take them off sometime soon and just respray them, because I see there's quite a bit of rust on them. Something else for the exterior, let me just close here. The other mod, performance mod, performance, not performance, I go for the sound, is I have a thick boy exhaust tip. So as you guys will see, this is not just an exhaust tip, this is actually a imported JDM muffler from the good old US of A. Below here you'll see that I have one resonator over there, silencer basically, just to quiet it down a bit, especially with the hollowness of this box. And then my favorite part about this car is the FK coilovers. So didn't getting off the ground. FK coilovers, you guys saw that on the channel, I'll link it up top as well. Go check out that video for the install. But this is my current ride height. At the back, you guys saw I don't really have I don't have my cups in, just because I like to push the limits, but I don't have my cups in. So this is the lowest my FKs go, because I still have my bump stops in. With the set of 17s, you guys saw how low they do go. And then up front, I'm kind of forced to run this height, just due to the fact that, as you guys will see down there, car is freshly resprayed and already hit the bumper, the fender. So that's why I'm running that ride height. And then guys, the most special mod of all, the biggest one, the biggest change to the car, is the color of the wheels. So the OGs of the channel will remember, oh, they're just very dirty. The OGs of the channel will remember that these wheels were originally black, actually silver. If you're a real OG, you would know these wheels were originally silver, but I decided to go with a nice copper bronze finish. My favorite wheel is a Vogue Racing T37, so that's where I found the inspiration for the color on these. I absolutely love the color. I think it suits the car very well. Only issue is I think I should be getting some different color lug nuts in the near future, because these red ones are just an eyesore. But let me know down below in the comments what you guys think of the color of the wheel. So as for the interior of the car, I'm sitting in the back seat here. As for the interior of the car, not a lot has been done so far. Besides going black on the A-pillars, as you guys can see here, they are black. I still need to respray the whole roof liner, just to make it black as well. But the biggest mod of the Ford Figo is this quick release steering wheel, guys. One of my absolute favorite mods that I've done to the car. It was quite a mission to get a hold of all of the parts, especially this part over here. I had to import that from America. As I told a couple of the other guys on the comments, I'm looking at making a mold of that, so you guys will be able to purchase that from me or from the website. This is just paired with a Momo universal quick release hub, and yeah, OMP steering wheel, as you guys saw on the reveal video, which we'll also link on top. One thing you must make sure of, guys, when you do decide to go aftermarket steering wheel, please make sure you buy something legit, something solid, because the last thing you want is your steering wheel coming off while you're driving and then ending up with a wrecked car. So sun is getting a bit low, so I need to get to finishing up the rest of the clips But I hope you guys enjoyed this walkthrough of what mods have been done to the Ford Figo.